So friends, in this video you will know how to solve flight delta app not working problem. So friends, watch this video carefully. The video seem helpful. Must like this video. Let's start the video without any wasting your time. So friends, let's now what we have to do next. So friends, first of all, this application is not working. So now first step, uninstall this application. That's mean install after uninstalling. So now friends, let's see the second solution. So now click the mobile setting. After click mobile setting, so friends, now you have to come down here. So now find the application option. So you have to click on that option. So after click, which the all mobile application will be show to you here. So now you have to search the file delta app. So now click on the file delta app icon. So after clicking, you will come to app info. Now first of all, you have to click the storage usage option. After clicking the first, click the clear cache. After that you have to click on the clear data. So now go to the back screen. So just see the second solution. So now click the permission option. So after clicking file delta, allow all permission friends. So now go to the bottom of the screen and remove permission free up page. You have to click this option disable only. So now friends, go to the back screen. Friends, go to the home screen. So friends, you have to close all the applications for the background. So now open your file delta app application. Now after opening and check that there you will not have any problem. If the problem is coming, then comment below the video and check if there is any update on this file delta application. So friends, in this way you can solve this problem. Here also you have to ask any question, comment in the comment box below the video, and please like this video. Do you like this video? Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.